Guys, the minute I saw this video, it came as the biggest shock of my life, because the man in this video is claiming to be Asake's father, allegedly. Then I was not asking this question just like everyone else. They be saying, is it true that this man is the father of Asake, like the same Asake that we know? Asake Ololade, Mr. Money. Asake, you know, say we love you, pieces. We love, like, you know now. But in this video now, oh, that be film, oh, that be miracle. But let us watch this video.
Asake tó wá mọ̀ sí Ololade Mr. Money. Àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ Asake. Àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ Asake tó wá mọ̀ sí Asake. Àwọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ Ololade Mr. Money. Àmọ́ bó ṣe wà yìí pé a ní èmi ní ìrànlọ́wọ́ wọn. Mo ní ìrànlọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà fún wọn. Nítorí pé ṣé ìdúpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn gan. Téèyàn bá dẹ̀ ń pè pé kò sówó lọ́wọ́ mi, ṣé ìdúpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan ni. Nítorí pé èmi náà ọba jẹ́mi náà dẹ̀ nì. Mo ò rí ṣàlágbára fún un. Ó ṣe ní kí n wá síwájú ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà nítorí pé mo mọ̀ pé ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà láṣẹ. Bó ṣe rí kò rí, ó jẹ́ wọ́n náírà náà lẹ́nu ẹgbẹ́ bá mi ṣàánú.
Okay, guys, see, Asake and his management. If you are, I know you are seeing the entire scenario on the internet since yesterday. So what I want to advise is that, please, is either you come out to debunk or address this matter, so people won't start having wrong ideas all over the place. Because Yoruba will say, Agbo ejo inikonda, agba oshikani. Asake, you are a Yoruba man. You sabi wetin I dey talk. But we cannot begin to say anything until we listen to both sides of the story, because this man has come out now saying he needs money to take care of himself, that allegedly is Asake's father, that Asake is supposed to be taking care of him. People have been saying a lot of things on the internet, but Asake as omogbon, give on the public, you know, as they go now. This matter, I will throw it openly. I will be neutral about it. And this video is not going to be based on the claims that this man is laying in this video that he is allegedly Asake's father. I'm going to address every parent out there with this video. See, if you know that you cannot take care of your children, please don't have them. I've always said this. I've always said this in my videos. If you know, say you know if you take care of your children, I beg, no born. I beg, no born. This is a neutral, analysis I'm doing now. It doesn't have anything to do with Asake's father allegedly or Asake. I'm just, So what I'm trying to say is, it has become a thing, especially in the previous era. Yes, that a lot better percentage of fathers in that era, they believe that omo mamu nkan to ma jẹ wáyé. That's the ideology. When they give birth, then they will now have this ideology. It's like a belief, it's like a myth that omo yen mamu nkan to ma jẹ wáyé. So some of them, they will now begin to bear children. They will give this one belle, give that one belle. They don't even care, because that thing has been at the back of their minds, that omo mamu nkan to ma jẹ wáyé. That is, the children or the kid coming to this world will bring whatever he will need to take care of himself to the world from heaven. That is the mythology. So some people actually believe in that. So they end up giving birth to more than enough children they can even take care of. They can't even take care of themselves. They will now bring in, some people will give birth to like 15 children, 12 children. Meanwhile, they don't have capacity to take care of 2 children. But they believe that so they believe that once the children grows up, they will take care of themselves. They will find their way now. Find way one now. Then some parents, I don't want to say some fathers, but the percentage of men that does this is more than the women that does this. So they believe that some even have more than 2, 3 wives. Meanwhile, they don't have the financial capacity to take care of 1 wife and 2 kids, but they will end up marrying 4, and they will give birth to 12, 13. Okay, now let me use this point as a case study. A lot of men, even in this era, they do that. They don't care what the children will eat. All they are after is, let me just born. then the children will take care of themselves automatically. Please, if you know that you cannot take care of your children, don't give birth to them. The second part of my analysis goes like this. See, whenever there is a breakup in a marriage, some women, they do this. They will now, when maybe there's a breakup in that marriage, the man has gone his own separate way, and the mother too has gone her own separate way, and maybe the children are with the mother, or the kid is with the mother after the breakup. Then some women are fond of doing this. They will now be blacklisting the father of that child, of those children, to them. They'll be telling them that baba yin olórí burúkú ni o, baba yin o useless, baba yin o ṣe kíní kan, ṣètìrí baba yin gangan ló ṣe kíní kan kíní kan. They will not be telling the children or the kid a lot of bad things, terrible things about that father. Meanwhile, most of them might be lies. Do you get? But because you have already installed that lies into the brain of that child, then the child will now grow up to actually dislike, the father. Do you get? That is another scenario that happens. Ejo, I'm addressing the women out there. If you know you have been doing this, if you know you have done that, or you are planning to do this, to blacklist, to lie on the father of that child, or you are telling the child what did not actually happen just for her or him to hate the father, let us stop. Tí ọba ayé ò bá rí ẹ, Ọlọ́run òun rí ẹ. You need, when you are telling the child about what happened, you need to come clean. Then you don't even have to spoil the father's, image to the child. Don't let us be extending it to the kids. Don't let us be creating, hatred for the father. Some people, the father will be taking care financially, the father will be sending money, the father will be doing, everything he can. But the mother will some mothers, they will even be lying to the kids. Baba yóò send owó, ó ṣe kíní kan, ó mú bèrè owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, owó school fees yín. Meanwhile, the father, the man is sending money, but the mother is not even telling the children the truth about the father. All she does is lie. Do you get? So now, I am not justifying what the man that does that. I'm not seeing this video. I just want to play it cool. I just want to play it. I want to bring it there. Let us learn how not to create hatred in our children's heart. It is very, very important. Then another thing I want to highlight, some men does that too. Whenever there is a marriage breakup, then if the children are in the custody of the father, then they will now be blacklisting, they will now be spoiling the mother to the children. So the children will now grow up to hate their mothers. When there is a breakup, it is just between the two of you. Don't let it affect the future of the children. Don't be planting the seed of hatred in the children's souls. Some people does that. And let us stop. Then another thing I want to highlight in this video, see, in life, even when one of your parents has done you bad, has done something terrible to you, he or she has not been taking care of you, he or she was not there for you, let us leave that to God. Do you get? I'm just saying, some people are so vengeful that even when they have all the billions in this world and that parent is suffering, they go ignore. No. See, leave that fight to God. You cannot fight it. You do not bring yourself to this world. You can't fight it. Don't be vengeful. When you are keeping that grudge, you are holding that, vengeance in your heart. Even you yourself, you are not going anywhere, because the thought you will always be traumatic, even for you, because anytime you think about it, like, hey, look at everything I have, and my father or my mother is out there languishing in problems. I should do something. Let me leave him or her to God. I believe that is the best thing to do. So in this case now, I just want to play it neutral. See, see, I hope you have been able to learn one or two things from this video. And Asake, our own Asake, we love you. And in this issue now, in this case now, it is best for you if you actually come out to address this matter, because a lot of narratives, wrong or right, are flying all over the place. So it's better. It's just an advice. It's better you come out to, you know, address this issue. Okay, this one, that one. And I don't even, me personally, I don't like when people bring family issues to the internet. You understand? For people that does not really care, people that just want to watch your videos, watch your, so you get the scenario and move on, because they don't care at all. Do you get? They don't care. So now, this issue now, in this case now, if it is actually true, if the man is actually, because all of these things are still allegations, allegedly. So my advice to Asake, if you actually want to, you know, address this issue, do it codedly. Codedly, nobody should even hear anything. You don't owe anybody any explanation coming to the internet and start explaining, see, now like this it be, when I know. The best thing, if you want to resolve this issue, if these allegations are actually true, because now they are all allegations, you can sort it out behind the camera that nobody will even know. Do you get? That is just my advice. Jeff Owolewa is my name. Holla.